Hello everyone. The project is the data recovery by using the machine learning. So data recovery means that sometime we have the null value data with the null values, or you can say the missing value have some missing value. So how we can recover this missing value? So first you will have installed this library import PyForest. Second one is the sklearn dot import simple imputer. So imputer is a machine learning algorithm which help to fill the blank data. If there is any null value or missing value, it recovered the missing value or most related to similar data. Okay, next one is the module is the sklearn import random forest regression. First we create the dataset df equals sign pd dot data frame, where I give the name features name, then in pass the 1 2, then np dot null I give the null value, then 4 5 again variable name features 2, then give the first I give the null value, then pass some numeric value. Again is a third is the target, where I pass some values and give the null value also. So run it. Now see the how it look the data set. So df dot head, so it show the features one, there is the null value in third, null value feature 2 is the null value, and then target also have null value. Now we check the null value and total of null value. So it's give the features have one, feature 1 have one value, feature 2 have one value, and target also have one value. So now we visualize this data how it look. Features 1 have third value, blank is a yellow, show the missing value. In features 2 have the first row missing value, and target also have third row. If you see the data, features 1 is third, feature 2 first, and target have third. So it's yellow, show the missing value. This is the feature 1 and this is the feature 2 first position, and target is also third position. Now fill the missing value. So I have take the variable name imputer, you can take anything imputer, where I pass the simple imputer, create the method, then strategy is the equal means. If you type the str, that it is a inbuilt, so pop-up window open that you can use this strategy equal means, so it give the mean value. So it show that there is the, because I create the method, so it show the simple, it is a simple imputer. The next one is the, now we fit data transform by using the imputer. So df is a next the variable, where I pass the pd dot data frame, because I want to see the how the mean value, it fill the mean value, then pass this one is the imputer, then dot fit transform is a data transfer, then df is the variable name, then sorry df is the data set name, then column equal df dot columns. Okay, then we print the df dot imputer. After using the mean value, it give, it look like this data, it fill the null value. So features one have in third is give the third is the 3.0, so it give the 3.5, and target also have 3, third number position null value, so it give the 1.1, so it give the similar data. Imputer mainly used for the filling the uh, null value as well as give the similar data. So it also, if you see the 1.0, so it give the same than 2.0, 3.0. So this one is the null value. There is also the 1.1, there is also the null value, so it give the 3.3, and there is fill the, because it is the first position, so it give the mean value is 3.5. Then now next we use the training the data train model. So where I pass the x train is a variable name, where I equal df dot imputer. Okay, this variable name. Okay, and then I give the location, is a column, then dot minus 1 is a colon dot minus 1, it show the all column of data in instead of last column, so it show the all data but it leave the last column. So this is the features one. If I show you the data, so first I use this comment, then it, so if I print this data, so it's look like this. This is the feature 1 and features 2. So, okay, now same thing is the target value. So there is the extrain df dot imputer dot ilog, then there I pass the colon and minus 1, so it show the it give the row vector of last column values also. So you can see that it show the all column value. Now create the method, because I am using the random forest, then this is the variable name rfr I have, then pass the random forest and then fit the data rf, then dot fit which we want to fit, then x train and y train, and then next one is the uh, recover. This is the variable name because I want to recover the missing value to fill it. So it is rfc dot predict, which we want to predict x train, and then df dot recover target. There is this word is used recover target, as we use the columns, so some is the name which we remember. So df dot recover underscore target, where we pass the df recover underscore df, then print the recover dot df. So it show the array value. The data look like this 1.5584. Like, now visualize how it look the data. So plt dot figure, where figure size I give the 8 and 5, then plt dot plot, where I pass the df dot index and df, then target value, then label is equal original data. Second is plot df dot index, same is the recovered target, label is equal recovered data, and line style is a dot dot. So I print that recovered data show in dot dot format. Plt dot legend, and legend is used for the Python because it differentiate between the multiple plot in same figure. Okay, then give the title, then plt x level, I pass the index, and y is the value, then plt dot show. So you can see the data recovery. Original data look blue is the original data. Okay, and orange dot dot it recovered data. So after recover the data, it look like this. The format is the like, okay, this is the index value and this is the value. The next also I'm using the visualization where before data versus after data. The before recovery, so how it look, and after recovery, so how it look. So we visualize all this. So plt dot figure size 12.5, and there I pass the plt dot subplot. Subplot is 1 comma 2 comma 1. It means that I want 1 into 2 grid, and 1 show the first subplot. So I give this grid option. Then plt dot is scatter, using the scatter plot where df is the variable data set name, where I pass the feature 1, feature 2, and color. C means color equal blue, and label is original data. Title before recovery, and plt dot x label is a feature 1, and plt dot y label is a feature 2. This coding is before. Now this coding is after recovering. So I use the second one is the plt dot subplot 1 comma 2 by 2 is a 1 1 into 2 is a grid, and 2 is the, it showed the 2 for the subplot. Then same is the df dot scatter plot, where I pass the df dot imputer is a variable, because df dot imputer where I recover the data, so this is the variable name. Then feature 1, then df dot imputer is the feature 2, color is green, and label equal to recovery data. plt title after recovery, and plt dot x label is a feature name, and plt dot y label is the feature 2. So you can see the before recovery, the data look like this. Is the dot 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 blue data is the like this first. Then for this after recovery, the feature 2, it's look like this. Is the third position it recover. So this is the graphically, you can see the before recovery and after recovery. So this project is the how to recover the missing data. Thank you.